Hi, today we are going to make one Gujarati dish, that is stuffed tomatoes. Now I have taken a tomato. I'll cut it, make a plus mark on it, but I'll see that the tomatoes are intact. It should not be totally made into 4 pieces. It has to be intact, but a little cut slit for filling for putting the masala inside that. Filling masala. Now what I have done is, I have taken here, I have taken peanut and cashew powder. You can use roasted chana dal and cashew and powder it, or you can take almond powder, almond flour. I have taken, this is some 3-4 spoons of, a tablespoon of almond flour. Here I have taken chickpea flour, that is besan. Then I am adding salt. I have taken coriander and cumin powder. If you don't have that, you can just simply add cumin powder, little paprika or chili powder, then turmeric powder. I am adding little brown sugar because the tomato will be little sour, and to balance the taste I am adding brown sugar. Then this is desiccated coconut. It is optional. If you have, you can add. If you don't have, you need not add. Now to this I'll add little oil, mix it, and I am going to fill the tomatoes with this masala. This can be served with chapatis. As such also you can serve this. Today we'll be doing the tomatoes in the electric pressure cooker. You can do it in an open pan, you can do it in your normal pressure cooker, but because this is a non-stick pan, I'm using electric pressure cooker to make this curry. The saute mode, the oil I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. It has become hot. I am adding half a teaspoon of mustard and half a teaspoon of cumin. If you don't have mustard and cumin, you can leave this. You just add heat oil and then place the tomatoes. I am adding asafoetida. I like the smell of the asafoetida, so I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Let the mustard crackle and the cumin crackle well. Once it starts crackling, place the tomatoes. I just cleaned the vessel in which we made the masala, roughly a tablespoon with 1 tablespoon of water. I'm just going to add this and immediately cover it and seal the vent. Now by doing this, immediately you will get the pressure wall coming up. After that, you cook it in manual pressure for just a minute and switch it off. I'll just cook it for a minute in high pressure. It has cooked for 1 minute. It has gone to on heat mode. We don't want the electric pressure cooker to go on heat mode. So what I am doing is I am switching off the power so that it cools down quickly. I will wait for 3 to 4 minutes and then release the pressure and open the lid. I have given a resting period of 5 minutes. Now I will open the cooker. You can just see it has become soft. The tomatoes are soft. You can serve them. Transfer it into a serving dish.
So the trick then is to move from the actual diversification that's taking place into diversification that's sustainable in the post-oil gas era. And that's harder to do.
Perhaps the younger generation will make this
Garnish with little kothmeer.
standard of living, economy and politics will have to change.
These new generation are hungry. They realize that the old structures and systems are moving forward into a new opportunity, and they are excited to be part
So
of it.
this is your stuffed tomato ready to be served. Even the oil, if you want, you can use the oil by topping it over the, removing the cumin and topping it over the tomatoes. Today